Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara as well. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about like question and answer kind of video wherein a lot of candidates had doubts in Infosys process that for example how to check the status, what is the interview date, and after the interview how much time will it take. So everything we'll be discussing in details. So basically, this is the website, so the link basically from Infosys that where you can track your application. Now, how to track that I'll discuss next. But yes, this is the link where you can log in and you can just check. So now I'll explain you how to check it. I mean, what is the meaning at what step you are in. So if it is mentioned like applied and there is a green tick like this, and next is not selected, the red kind of mark is there. So that is obviously you applied, but it is not selected. Next is, and after that you can apply after 6 months only for Infosys. And again, a lot of people think that you can change your details and you can apply, but that will not work because your details like your PAN card and your number and your name, date of birth, and everything would remain same. So you have to apply after 6 months only. You can apply, otherwise you will get rejected. Next is, again you will see a green tick wherein you will see applied, and the next status you see is yellow in review in progress. Now here there are chances that you get approved or you get rejected. Okay, so there are both chances, but yeah, chances of selection would depend upon candidate to candidate and your profile. So yeah, it will totally depend, but the chances would be, you can say, higher. Next is that again applied will be there in green tick, and next is review in progress. So this view the candidate has cleared, here green tick will happen, and next will be the next like this mark, you'll see offer release, and further it will be seen like accepted and joined. So if offer is released, you can see that offer letter has been released and accepted and then joined. Now if you see withdrawn, so for example you have offer letter and you have withdrawn that offer, you have not selected that offer, so here the status would get updated to withdrawn. So this we have discussed completely. Next is, guys, so I'm talking about interview dates. So if you have like given the interviews on 7th, 8th or 15th or 20th of February, then you have what is the result date. So after interview it takes time for the result. So you have to wait for at least 25 to 30 days. That totally depends upon them. It takes time. So you have to wait for it. Otherwise, in case you haven't got the email or you want to know the status, you can email here. This is the email ID. But yeah, again, you have to wait at least 25 to 30 days. At least you have to wait for it. Otherwise, no such like email is that you can check the status on real time. Next is not received any mail. Again, you have to wait for it. But yeah, if you get the selection on time, that is well and good. But for the rejection, they do send rejection email, but sometimes not to all the candidates. But you don't have to wait for it, guys, because maximum of the chances are that rejection is there, because like if it is more than 25 days or 30 days or so, so consider that it is rejected. So keep on applying in other companies as well. um this is, sorry, reschedule. This is reschedule I'm talking about. Again, reschedule is happening or not. For any sort of reschedule interviews, you again have to email on talent acquisition email ID. This totally depends upon the company that they'll give you. And if in case they gives you the reschedule chance, might be there are chances that they will give the chance in next cycle of the interviews happening. So it totally depends. After first round, you will get the okay. Now, for example, after first round, when you will get the interview round. So interview round again for 2 weeks, approximately 15 days. You have to wait. Then only you will get the after the result of first round, you will get the interview. Next, yeah, this we have already discussed. So these are the pointers, guys, I wanted to discuss with you. Any doubts and query. And but yeah, one more thing, that this link, don't rely on this completely, because the status gets updated not real time. It can take time to update, so rely only on the emails. So keep your emails, check on a regular basis, so that you get the real time updates, and you can check, but yeah, rely on email should be your first priority rather than the link. But yeah, I have told you, I mean mentioned you how to check it, so that's also well and good. You can check out the status. So in case guys you have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section, and do share with your friends so that they also get to know about the updates. And anyone wants to share the interview experiences as well, let me know in Instagram or through email. Have a great day guys, be safe.